iPhone 14 Pro Max. That's what this one is for. 18-foot drop protection, strong magnet, of course, compatible with all MagSafe, 3 times military grade protection. And these cases are a beast. So if you're looking for maximum protection, I have an iPhone 14 Pro Max here. I'm going to look at these together real quickly. I'm doing a quick review and unboxing. I'm just going to show you these. I was sent these from Vicmars. I use their cases all the time. I like the quality, and I just want to show you this one in particular. This is how they come like this. They're all wrapped in a nice package. You can see here. They all come with the Vicmars warranty card. Thank you for joining the Vicmars family. And QR code to scan, get some information, and a phone number for help. So 100% guarantee. They give you definitely a lot of support here. And they've been in the business for a while, and they really know their stuff. So I love their cases and good quality. So this is how it comes. Put it to the side. Let's open this one up and take a look at the quality. You can see it's got that really cool purple hue to it. I love that. This is a little bit beefier than the average case. This is why you get the maximum protection. A little bit thicker, a little bit stiffer on the sides here. You get the maximum protection. You can see it's got the MagSafe ring, so you can see that all around how the case is made. Everything is well cut out. You get a little bit more of a beefier on the lens protection. Even the buttons feel beefier. Everything just has a little bit more of that military heavy-duty gray to it. So the inside is a little bit thicker. I just want to show you that it's really stiff, which is really good. So if you're a phone dropper, I definitely recommend this type of quality case. This gives you back. And to install these phones, it's actually very easy. I always start from the bottom and work up. And let's just pop it right in. You can see it pops in super easy. Just make sure you go all around the edges, just like you see here. And that's going to give you the maximum protection all around. All the buttons feel beautiful. The lens is covered beautifully. Again, good drop protection. I love this. And I love this purple is really cool. You can see that really cool hue. It's got a good grip to it. Feels really good in the hand. And again, military drop protection, 18-foot protection. They dropped this a million times with really no issues whatsoever. Because it's so thick and beefy, you get that real maximum protection. And let's just take a look at the other one real quick. Here is the black. So let's put them side by side so you can see the difference. You got the black, you got the purple. I like this black. This is a matte black, not a shiny black. Just so you know, it's a matte black. It's black all around. As you can see here, inside is all dark. You can see the MagSafe ring. Again, super easy to install. All the same protection, all high quality, impact grade, 18-foot drop test, super magnet in the back, all that kind of stuff. And this is for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Again, easy to install. I always start from the bottom, like I said, and just work your way up and around. And I actually like this black on my black phone. This looks really cool, very sharp. Again, good grip, good handle. I love the way this looks. I love the way this feels. I definitely recommend these cases again if you're a phone dropper, even if you're not a phone dropper. You know, if you've dropped your phone by mistake, you don't have to worry. You don't have any issues. Definitely love them. I've been a big fan of the Vicmars family for a long time, and I highly recommend these cases. Absolutely love them, and you can't go wrong. So definitely, thanks for watching. Appreciate your time as always.